I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I get a lot of my tools for free, and I'm gonna show you how. There's basically 3 ways I do this. The first one I call the free marketplace rental. The idea is you find something on Marketplace that's listed at a good price and used, and you just purchase it and use it for however long you need it, and then you sell it again for the same price or more if you got a really good deal on it. This is great for those one-off tools that you're not gonna really use a lot. You just buy it, use it for a couple months, and then sell it. It's kind of windy, so let's go inside for a bit. I'll show you what I'm working on. We're at the stage where we're putting up the paneling on the walls, and for that you need a nailer. And we're off grid here, so we've got this cordless nailer. It actually takes gas, which is super cool. And this brings me to tip number 2, the multi-buy. The way the multi-buy works is you find the tool you want, offer it alongside a bunch of other tools. So for example, if you need a router or something, you find it either in a kit at a box store, or even better on Marketplace with somebody just selling off a bunch of their tools. And you keep that tool and sell the rest off, basically paying for that tool. Things sold in lots are often a lot cheaper than individually listed items. People want to get rid of things the easiest way possible, so this is a great way to get a couple tools basically paid for by selling the other tool. This also works for getting extra batteries. I've purchased tools before, like this chainsaw that came with a battery, for less than the price of just the bare tool. So I bought 2 of them and I sold the other one for way cheaper than the bare tool cost, and I get to keep the battery from it. Before we get to the third one, I'm gonna put up some panels. Today's gonna be easy. I already cut and labeled some. April in Canada, and I'm outside without a shirt on. Because of this. You want to go swimming? You should clean your mouth. You got berries everywhere. And he's eating the wax from a baby bell. Cute. Good job. More? Okay. The third way is probably my favorite, but it's a little complex, and I do this one kind of alongside the other 2. This one is about finding broken tools and fixing them. This can be a little daunting, but I got a bunch of my tools actually in non-working condition, and you can do a little bit of research before you buy them to see if the problem is fixable or not. Let me show you some examples. I got 2 of these drills for free because they had bits stuck in the chucks. And all I did was take some vice grips and hammer out the bit and then tighten the chuck on. And I've had 2 free drills that I've used for years and they've been great. I got 2 of these for $300 because one didn't work. Turns out it was just old gas, so I didn't really need to fix it, but I did take it apart and clean it up and sold it, making this one totally free. And we use this a lot. I got this because it didn't work either. Turns out it was just low on oil. This thing has a low oil shutoff switch. Had some old gas in it, so I replaced that too, but replaced the oil, and it's been great. Honestly, so many things fail the exact same way, and there's so much information on the internet. You could totally find how to fix things yourself if you're a little bit handy. You can often get free stuff that's broken, so those are even worth maybe sending to the proper repair depot to get fixed. As a DIYer, this is the great way to get the right tools for the job without breaking the bank. It makes the process of building fun, and it makes you more successful if you have the right tool. So get out there and get your free tools. That's enough talking for now. I need to get working on this sauna.